Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of rosemary, a beloved herb that not only enhances our culinary creations, but also boasts a rich history and a variety of types that can suit any garden or kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a culinary enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates the beauty and fragrance of herbs, understanding the different varieties of rosemary can elevate your experience. So, let's explore the top 5 most popular rosemary varieties you should know. First up on our list is the classic Rosmarinus officinalis, commonly known as common rosemary. This variety is the quintessential rosemary most people envision when they think of this herb. It features needle-like leaves that are a vibrant green on top and silvery on the underside. The flavor is robust and slightly piney, making it a perfect addition to roasted meats, potatoes, and Mediterranean dishes. Common rosemary is a perennial plant that thrives in well-drained soil and sunny locations, making it an excellent choice for gardens and containers alike. Its versatility in the kitchen and its resilience in the garden make it a staple for both novice and experienced gardeners. Next, we have Rosmarinus officinalis prostritus, often referred to as creeping rosemary. This variety is a favorite for those looking to add a touch of greenery to their landscape. With its low-growing, spreading habit, creeping rosemary is perfect for ground cover, cascading over walls, or spilling out of pots. The flavor profile remains similar to that of common rosemary, but the plants are particularly valued for their ornamental qualities. The blue flowers that bloom in spring attract pollinators, making it a great addition to a bee-friendly garden. Plus, it's drought-tolerant, which means it requires less water once established, making it an eco-friendly choice for gardeners in dry climates. Coming in at number 3 is Rosmarinus officinalis Tuscan Blue. This variety is a standout not only for its culinary uses but also for its striking appearance. Tuscan Blue boasts tall, upright growth, reaching heights of up to 3 feet. Its leaves are exceptionally aromatic, and the plant produces beautiful blue flowers that add a pop of color to any garden. This variety is particularly popular among chefs, as it has a strong flavor that pairs wonderfully with grilled meats, stews, and even bread. If you're looking for a rosemary variety that can serve as both a culinary powerhouse and an eye-catching landscape feature, Tuscan Blue is an excellent choice. At number 4, we have Rosmarinus officinalis ARP, a variety that stands out for its hardiness. ARP rosemary is particularly well-suited for colder climates, withstanding temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it a go-to for gardeners in regions where other rosemary varieties might struggle. The flavor of ARP is slightly milder than some of its counterparts, making it a fantastic option for those who prefer a subtler taste in their dishes. The plant grows into a bushy form, making it ideal for hedges or as a backdrop in garden beds. It's also known for its resilience against diseases and pests, which is a significant advantage for any gardener. Finally, rounding out our top 5 is Rosmarinus officinalis Blue Spires. This variety is known for its striking vertical growth and dense foliage, making it a stunning focal point in any herb garden. The leaves are aromatic and flavorful, and Blue Spires produces abundant blue flowers that are not only beautiful, but also attract bees and butterflies. This variety is particularly favored in culinary applications where the rosemary flavor needs to shine, such as in marinades, dressings, and roasted vegetables. Additionally, Blue Spires is drought-tolerant once established, making it a low-maintenance option for busy gardeners. Now that we've covered the top 5 rosemary varieties, let's talk about how to care for these wonderful plants. Rosemary thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sunlight, so make sure to plant it in a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Regular pruning will help keep your rosemary plants healthy and encourage bushier growth. When it comes to watering, rosemary prefers a dry environment, so be cautious not to overwater. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings, and your rosemary will reward you with lush growth and abundant flavor. In the kitchen, rosemary is incredibly versatile. You can use it fresh or dried, and it pairs beautifully with a wide range of ingredients. Try adding it to your roasted vegetables, infusing oils, or even making a rosemary-infused simple syrup for cocktails. The aromatic qualities of rosemary can elevate a dish, adding depth and complexity that is truly irresistible. In conclusion, rosemary is not just a single herb. It's a family of varieties, each with its unique characteristics and uses. From the classic common rosemary to the hardy arp and the ornamental blue spires, there's a type of rosemary for every gardener and chef. By understanding these varieties, you can make informed choices that enhance your garden and your culinary adventures. So whether you're planting a new herb garden or simply looking to spice up your cooking, consider incorporating these top 5 rosemary varieties into your life. Happy gardening and cooking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more herb-related content. See you next time.